Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel. Today in this video, we will be learning about the modern spinning top concept. And the topics which will be covered in this video is what is a spinning top candle, what it means in the chart. And in this area, I will be covering the modern concept of spinning top. And I think this topic has not been explained in YouTube in any of the video by any of the YouTube mentors. I don't know friends that why the stock market gurus avoids telling you the modern concept of spinning top. 99% of them are teaching you the old price action concept. But friends, the price action concept which have been emerged on 90s or on 2000 does not work anymore in 2021. And the concept of price action has changed significantly in last 20 years. And in this video, we will be covering just that, means we will be covering the modern price action concept of spinning top. And the third part of this video will be identifying spinning top in charts. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started with modern spinning top candlesticks pattern. Before we start, please read the disclaimer, it is very important. Welcome back to the video friends. We are now in the first topic, what is a spinning top candle. So friends, below you are actually watching two candlesticks which are similar to the spinning top candlesticks pattern. Here you can see both these candlesticks is having a very small body and large wick on both of the sides. So the definition is as follows. Candle or a candlestick, spinning top candlesticks must have visible small body. For reference, the body of the candle should be less than half of the total size of the candle. But here you have to also consider that the body of the candle should be more than 5% of the total candle size. That means the body of the candle should be more than 5% of candlestick size and less than half or 50% of the total candlestick size. The second point is that both the upper and lower wick must be nearly of the same size. Here in this picture, you may see that the upper wick and the lower wick of the candle nearly is the same. Means the length of the upper wick must be similar in size to the length of the lower wick. It may not be that both the wicks are absolutely in the same size. There may be minor difference, but more or less the size of both the wicks must be equal to one another. And the third point is that candle color does not matter. Means the candle color or the body color of the spinning top candle may be green or may be red. It does not matter because the color of the candle does not have any significance on the price action. Now the second topic is that what it means in the chart. Friends, the thing is that the spinning top means indecision. I think all of you know this point. Because in every YouTube video, you will hear that spinning top means indecision. It does not signify any kind of trend continuation or reversal itself. But friends, this is half true. Because according to the modern price action, more than one continuous spinning top has significant meaning on the chart. And this is the new concept I was talking about. According to the modern price action, a spinning top is divided in three categories. For a spinning top, the first category is that one single candle within trend means indecision. After appearance of one single candle, the trend may continue or get reversed. It can do anything. And I think this point is known to all of you. But friends, with the new concept, you will have one more or two more decision making things. The second point is that 2-3 spinning top at the same price level means selective trend continuation or reversal based on historical support and resistance position. And this is a new concept according to the modern price action. That if you see 2-3 spinning top candle at the same price level, then with the help of historical support resistance point, you may get an understanding that if the price is going to be reversed or if the trend is going to be continued. And the third type is that 3 or more than 3 spinning top candle at the same price level defines a new support and resistance zone in that new level. This is also a new concept which was not available in the traditional price action and it has been included in the modern price action technique. So friends, when you are getting 3 or more than 3 spinning top candlestick at a same price level, you may use those price zone to draw a support and resistance level. Friends, I will cover each and every topic in our video series. But as you know, if I try to cover all these things in one video, the video will be getting very long. So the third point or the third part, I will cover it in the next video. That how you can use spinning top candle to mark support and resistance zones. And the second point or the second part will be covered in the next to next video. And in this video, I will cover that how to identify spinning top candle in chart. So friends, if you want the notification of our upcoming videos, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Now we will be going to the third part of our video, that is identifying spinning top candle in chart. Now friends, we have come to the technical chart, and the concept I am teaching you can be applied to any time frame. There is no boundings that it have to be applied on some time frame or you have to be applied on this time frame. There is no restriction. You can apply the concept in any time frame or in any script. But to show you an example, I have taken here the chart of Bajaj Finance Limited and I have taken a daily time frame chart. So friends, let's start with the first candle. You may see that this candle is having identical wicks on both sides. But as you can see, this candle does not have any kind of visible body. The body is very thin. So this type of candle cannot be considered as spinning top. But then if you see the second candle or third candle, you will see that these candles also having similar sized wick on both sides, on the upper side and on the lower side. And it is having some visible body. So friends, these two candles can be identified as spinning top candle. Here also, for example, this candle can be identified as spinning top. This can be also treated as spinning top. This red candle, these two candles, these two green candle can also be considered as spinning top because the wick size on the upper and lower side is nearly same and it is having a visible body. In the lower direction, this can be considered also a spinning top candle. But would you consider this as a spinning top candle? No, because there is two things. One, the body is very thin. It is nearly having invisible body, and also the lower wick of this candle is much larger than the upper wick, nearly 3 times larger. So this type of candle we cannot take it as spinning top. There is another example. See this candle. This candle is having a visible body, but the lower wick is much larger than the upper wick. The lower wick is about 4 times larger than the upper wick. So this type of candle cannot be considered as spinning top. But the previous candle, this red candle, it is having a visible body and similar sized wick on both of its sides, on upper side and lower side. Though this candle can be an example of spinning top. So friends, that's how we can identify spinning top on a technical chart. So friends, that's how we can identify spinning top candlesticks pattern in technical chart. So I hope that you will be practicing this method to identify the spinning top candlesticks in your chart so that when I will be posting my next video, you can identify those spinning top in any of the chart and follow our method to identify support and resistance level and trade on those support and resistance levels. So friends, if you like the content of this video, then please like this video on YouTube, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification about our upcoming videos. And if you require any kind of guidance in the live market, you may join our Telegram channel and post your question and queries in the discussion board. We'll try to answer all your question and queries as soon as possible. This is absolutely free service. There is no charges for this service. You will find our Telegram channel link below this video and in the description of this video. So friends, that's all for today's video. We'll be definitely meeting in our next educational video.